Paul decides to collect football stickers. There are 8 football stickers in each pack. Paul starts off his collection by purchasing a pack of stickers every week for 12 weeks, and then 2 packs of stickers every week for 5 weeks. This information relates to questions 51 to 53. 53. The album has 100 pages in total. Assuming there are no duplicates, how many more packs of stickers does Paul need to buy to fill the album? In a previous question, we established that an album holds 4 stickers per page. So if there are 100 pages in total, then this would be 400 stickers. If we know that Paul started his collection by buying a pack of stickers every week for 12 weeks, and then 2 packs of stickers every week for 5 weeks, that means that he would have 12 sticker packs after the first 12 weeks, and then a further 10 packs after those 5 weeks where he bought 2 packs a week. This is 22 packs of stickers, and of course each pack contains 8 stickers. 22 multiplied by 8 is 176. So I can subtract 176 from 400 to find out how many stickers Paul would need to collect. I can work this out using a simple number line to help me count on. So I can start by saying 176 and 400 and find the difference by saying 176 plus 24 would get me to 200, and adding a further 200 would get me to 400. So in total, Paul needs a further 224 stickers. But how many packs is this? We know that there are 8 stickers in a pack, so we should take 224 and divide it by 8. If we say 8 does not go into 2, we can then say that 8 does go into 22. The closest multiple of 8 to 22 would be 2 8s, which is 16. This leaves a remainder of 6, and we can then say 8 goes into 64 8 times. So Paul would need to buy a further 28 packs of stickers in order to fill the album.